Hello, welcome back to the channel, you guys. I have another review to come and share with you from Coach. Again, thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my video and checking out to see the lovely items that I have been purchasing. And I kind of wanted to come and share with you guys on this particular purchase. I have a little story time with you guys because this was a little situation here. But before we get into the video, I do want you guys to go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It is greatly appreciated, and it doesn't cost a thing. And if you want to see more of my videos and my unboxings and the items that I am coming to share, please subscribe to the channel. And again, I love that you guys are commenting and engaging in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are on this item, if it's something that you would purchase or if you have purchased it and if you like the item. So without further ado, you guys, we're going to go ahead and jump in. And as I'm jumping into the video, I wanted to just go ahead and tell you my story time. So as I unwrap this box, this item was purchased directly from Coach. This item was actually purchased twice by me. And this is where the story time comes in to play, you guys. So I initially purchased this item from Amazon. And the reason why I purchased it from Amazon, because we all know that Amazon states that you can get your items overnight. It actually was available. I think that this specific color was sold out at the time at Coach. So I went on to Amazon, and I've ordered things from Amazon before. I have not purchased a bag from Amazon though, you guys. So this was my first time. And not only did I purchase this bag, I purchased another bag, which I have yet to receive. So this is the story time that I have for you guys. So as I'm unraveling, like I said, I purchased this item from Coach because of the situation. This item did come wrapped. We all know the Coach lovely wrapping. And I'll go ahead and take it out. They shipped it. Let me set this over to the side, you guys. So I've shared with you guys the Tabby Coach chain bag, the soft Tabby chain bag in black, and I have got that, you guys, from the runway when it came out. And this one I ordered, and there's the SKU number if you need to know. I wanted this color because I thought it was a gorgeous color. It is the sage color, so I'm super excited to see it. And like I said, I ordered this from Amazon. So when I ordered it from Amazon, I also ordered some other items. My item came, as you can see, this is all factory wrapped, which I love, that Coach has sent me. Okay. It's very nicely wrapped, actually. I've never seen like a strap like this that they do, but okay. So let's get into it. Okay. So, like I said, I purchased this item from Amazon initially. The item came on Sunday with some other items. Let's take this out. And when I got my delivery, I didn't open my items right away because, again, I wanted to create content, as you know. I don't like to open it. I like to unbox it with you guys. So here's the bag, which it's kind of interesting. It's not, I don't know. We'll talk about it. So when I purchased the order on Amazon, I don't know if I should unravel this, but I'll go ahead. The color's kind of off, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this, you guys. Is it me, or it's not giving what the website showed? And I don't know. It's giving a grayish green. I don't know if I'm a fan as I'm opening it. I hadn't seen it in person. Okay, we'll continue to review it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it at this point. I don't know. the color, you guys. So let me go ahead and finish the story time, and then we'll get into the bag as I'm going into the story. So you've already seen this. It's this gorgeous bag. It's soft. It has the gold. The reason why I purchased this is because I have the Tabby in black and silver, and I wanted one with gold. So this is why I purchased this one. And just this color I felt that was amazing. So as you can see, it's stuffed and wrapped. But I don't know if I'm going to unravel it. So let me go ahead and tell you the story time. So, it comes with the gold chain. And remember I stated in my previous video, this does feel different and I did speak to Coach about this as far as my runway bag, the chain wise, and the bag itself feels a little different. The chain is much lighter than my actual Tabby, the one that I got from One Way. So let me show you that one. It's a different weight to it. Let me show you. So this is the actual chain that came with my runway bag. And this is the one that came. They look just alike, but this is way heavier than this one. This is heavier than this one. And I did speak to an essay at Coach, and she stated that when the runway bags come out, they are different. So then we have the color strap. I don't want to unravel it completely. I'm just going to leave that here because I'm a little disappointed, and I don't know if I'm going to keep this bag, you guys. The color is just not giving me the color that I really thought this was, and I'm going to pull it up on the website so you can see the beautiful color that captivated me and wanting to buy this bag. This is giving like a muted gray, greeny kind of color. So I don't know, but I'll share with you guys what I thought I was getting and what I'm looking at currently. So with the Amazon, and I'll pull this up. Let me see if I can pull up the video or the Amazon. Let's see if I can get the Coach's, not Amazon, I'm sorry, Coach's look. Oh, okay. So let me go here. So when like I stated that I purchased this item from Amazon. My packages arrived on Sunday. Sunday, I brought my boxes in. Tuesday, I didn't open the boxes until Tuesday. When I opened the boxes, I had 3 boxes that I purchased from Amazon. And then one of my bags still hadn't gotten here. But on Amazon, it was stating that you can get it overnight. But they had already placed my order, and then they said the fulfillment had changed. So I have yet to receive that bag, and it's now going on 2 weeks. And I've been communicating with Amazon, which their customer service through chat is horrible. I kept getting disconnected, rerouted. I had about 4 different people I end up talking to. Then if you want to speak to someone directly, you have to request a call back through a link, and then someone will call you. Then they open up a ticket, and now things are investigated. So it's been a long journey. I spent about 2 hours communicating through chat, then add the time with talking to someone on the phone with Amazon. So when I purchased this item through Amazon, I opened up my boxes, and I got everything but half my order. Half of my order was missing. This was missing. I had ordered some outfits, and I had ordered a bag charm, and I'll share that bag charm with you. So I began to get online and communicate with Amazon customer service. They reissued for the items, everything they reissued that was missing except the bag. And I was like, well, what about the bag? I haven't, received anything about the bag. Why you guys haven't, so they had me take pictures. They're like, you didn't. Now, keep in mind, the bag came inside in the box with the other items, but we never got the bag. So when Amazon, gets to the bag to reissue, they state that they cannot reissue it. Now, my assumption is because the bag's pricey. Now, no one has told me this from Amazon, but this is what I'm assuming. So they tell me that, I need to submit and get a police report because they're showing that, of course, they take the pictures of the boxes at the door. And I need to put a police report in showing that someone has taken the items. I explained to Amazon, items have not been taken, that I received the 3 boxes, but in one of the boxes, they had delivered someone else's items. I received someone else's items in this box full of items, and it didn't belong to me. So yes, I did get 3 boxes, but one box was not mine. It was another customer that is probably looking for the items. So what I'm assuming is that customer received my box and I got theirs. So they asked me to take a picture. I take the picture of the box and the customer's address. I take the picture. They tell me to open up the box. I open up the box. It has all this person's like items in it. It's probably about 12 different items in this box that they have requested. I take a picture, I upload it to the link that Amazon tells me, and then Amazon tells me they're going to get in contact with me and let me know what they come up with. I didn't get an email till this day. I still haven't received a follow-up on that, what I've uploaded. What I did, I the next day, they tell me 24 hours. I didn't hear anything. I reached back out. At this point, again, I've talked to probably 3 different associates via the Amazon's chat. They tell me finally when I get to the 3rd person, they just issued out a refund and that I needed to return the items back that I had received other than mine. And so I'm like, I want my bag. I don't want a reimbursement. I want the bag. They tell me they can't send me a replacement bag, that they can only refund me, and the refund is going to be based off of once they receive the items back. So me, I'm very upset for one. As an Amazon customer, I'm like, it's you guys' error. I didn't deliver the wrong package. You guys did. I have to do the work now in order to get my reimbursement. So I have to go and take this package back to UPS, have it picked, delivered. And then now I have to wait on my refund, which can possibly take up to 30 days. Which once they receive the items back, then I can get my refund. They can't reissue the bag, so they say, but they reissued everything else. I literally got those things the next day. But the bag, they refused to reissue, saying that they were just unable to do so and that I would have to get a refund once they get the items. So right now I have funds out in limbo. So what I did is I said, you know what? I'm not going to reorder from Amazon because currently I'm still waiting on the bag from Amazon that says currently I can get it overnighted, but I've still not received the bag. So I've learned my lesson with ordering large items such as this, to not order them through Amazon. I've heard some people have good experiences. This is just one horrible experience for me. On top of, I went and ordered the item from Coach and just had Coach because now they have this color back, and I had it shipped and they shipped the packaging as you guys see. But now I went through all that, you guys, and I'm disappointed. It's not the color that I thought. And I know Coach does that a lot. And I'm going to share with you because I did end up pulling it up. I'm very disappointed and I don't think I'm going to keep this bag. So this is the color, you guys, that I thought based off of what I thought Coach would give me. And hopefully you guys can see it. It's totally different, you guys. I hope you guys can see this. It's a very pretty, almost greenish, tealish color. It's not the same. And so now I'm a little upset about it. I've done all that and it's a beautiful, the bag itself is very beautiful, but this color is not the color that I was expecting. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about keeping it. And again, this is the same size as my black Tabby, and I'll get that one so you guys can see it. Let me see if I can grab it. I believe it's right here. So, same size. I did order another size. I love this bag, but it's the same size. I have another one, but this color is not giving what I wanted. So, I'm a little disappointed. You guys, I wanted to just come and share with you my experience. Coach did amazing with shipping it out. I love that it's fully wrapped, but I don't want to unwrap it just in case I don't keep it. I want someone else to get a fully wrapped bag, right? I don't like to have unwrapped items and then you request it. So I'm going to leave it wrapped, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it. You guys let me know what your thought process is. Would you keep the bag? Do you think this color is what it's supposed to be? Or do you feel like that it's given a different color? I was really hoping that it was a soft, vibrant bag. I know sometimes Coach's colors don't look the same. Even with the pink, the soft pink that they have, it's not even as vibrant. So let me know. I kind of just wanted to share. And if you've had a bad experience with Amazon and purchasing like a purse or item, and then you've encountered this, let me know what you guys did and how you handled it. Again, now I have that money. This bag was $4.90. This bag is $4.95 plus tax. So I'm waiting on Amazon to refund that. And then now I have this bag that I'm essentially, if I don't keep it, I have to return back to Coach. So tell me what you would do in this case, and how would you handle this, you guys. I just kind of wanted to come and share with you my experience with Amazon, but I didn't think that the bag that I end up receiving would not be what I expected. So it happens. I still love the Tabby, the chain Tabby shoulder bag. I have another one coming in that I'll share with you guys. Again, I wanted to share the comparisons and the sizes, but let me know what your thought process is and what you would do. I also, before I go, I did order a charm to go with this because of the color, and I thought that this would be gorgeous. So I had ordered this, and I thought this was very pretty, you guys. I thought that this would go with the gold. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? But the green is just not giving. The charm is gorgeous. And then also I had a wallet that I actually ordered that actually what I thought the color would follow with. It's like a peacock, but the green is not giving that peacock. So tell me what your thought processes are. Again, please leave a comment in the and let me know. Again, thank you for coming to stop by for my little story time and obviously my experience. And hopefully, you know, I come up with something else, or maybe it'll grow on me. I don't know. But tell me what you guys would do. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you soon. Thank you all.